from Mike and 8 from the Rechel. Alright, up next we have the Taylor and Chucks. We have Stevie Wonder. That's right, I said it. I have the microphone. Here we go. I want to see your mustache split in half. Okay. 1, belly, 2, floppy, 3.
Yeah, what's that rule?
That's our mustache. Well done. The glory, hallelujah, flop. We have a 9 from Jonathan, a 9 from Mike, a 9.5 from Emily.